Luna and Vale noticed something unusual in the distance.
Val, do you see that? Nori's in trouble.
Looks like we're up for a challenge tonight.
Took you long enough. Enjoying the view down there?
Keep talking, Nori. We'll see who's laughing when.
If I release the counterweight at the right moment.
Got it. Just don't miss your cue, genius.
Whoa. Okay, maybe this wasn't such a bad idea.
Hold on tight, I've got ya.
Next time, try not to dangle from heavy machinery, Nori.
Noted. Thanks, I guess.